Jai Srimannarayana. 18th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vistarena Atmano Yogam Vibhutincha Janardana Bhuyaha Kathaya Truptirhi Srunvato Nasti me Amrutam. Om. You should never get tired of hearing Sri Krishna Paramatma's exceptionally pleasing words mixed with emotions and expectations. You should always be in a mood to enjoy Krishna Paramatma's majestic potencies and unlimited glories. You should feel that Krishna Paramatma's Mahatmyam, Vaibhavam is like a nectar. You are drinking nectar. Hearing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glories is nothing but nectar. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall never get tired of hearing your exceptionally pleasing words mixed with emotions and expectations. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall always be in a mode of enjoying your majestic potencies and unlimited glories. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall feel that I am drinking nectar while hearing your glories. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 128th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, one day Yasoda Devi churning the curds, when she is churning, she wants to be more pure. She wants to maintain that cleanliness because that butter is going to go to Krishna. As and how for Brahmanas, yajnas and aradhanas are more pure activities, so also for Gopikas, Dadhi Madhanam, that means churning the curds, are most pure activity of the day. That is why Yashoda Devi now wearing pattu sari. Kshaumam vasaha prudhu katitate bibhrati sutranadham. She is also wearing one beautiful rope around her waist. Now she is churning the curds. When she was churning, she remembered Krishna. The moment she remembered Krishna, Putra Sneha Snuta Kucha Yugam Jatakam Pancha Subhruhu, her heart immediately melted. Heart filled with so much of love and affection towards Krishna. Her entire body started getting goosebumps. And now she is also singing the songs while remembering Krishna's activities. Balu nankinchi padedi patavalana taruvuli gurotta peruginti taruvajoche. When she was singing the songs, for those songs, even trees also getting into blossom state. Like that Yashoda Devi churning. While she is churning, Chalat Kankanau Kundalecha, her bangles, all of her ornaments making beautiful sounds. And because there is a big pot of yogurt, and that too it is very solid state, she was not easily able to churn. She is putting all of her strength. That is why her entire body is moving. While that body is moving, all of her ornaments are making sounds, and on top of that she is singing the songs. All those songs became so pure and spreading everywhere. Like that Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 18th sloka. Vistarenatmano yogam vibhutincha janardana bhuyah kathaya truptirhi shrunvato nasti me mrutam. Vistarenatmano yogam vibhutincha janardana bhuyah kathaya truptirhi shrunvato nasti me mrutam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.